All right, we're back out here for another night of snow removal, just finishing up the last few areas, getting a little more tidying done. But I just wanted to take a minute to show my appreciation for this old skid steer behind me. She's an 1845 C case. She's been in the family since my wife was in diapers. Every year we talk about upgrading to a new machine, but I don't think we can do that. We're gonna have her as long as she'll have us and keep her around. Let's get back to it. Oh. Time to sleep.